Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up higher yesterday for the first time in quite some time. You had corn, beans, and wheat higher, all a little lower to start the day so far this morning. We got crop progress yesterday, so let's grab our whiteboard here and go over that. So all right, we're going to go over good to excellent ratings first. Corn good to excellent came in at 76%. That was actually a 1% increase over last week's ratings. So ratings are getting better in corn. We've been talking about how the weather was supportive for crop development, and we're seeing that come through in crop ratings. Beans, 72% good to excellent. That's unchanged from last week. And then wheat, 70% good to excellent, and that's unchanged from last week as well. So crop condition ratings still remain really good. Corn silking came in at 34%. It's a 19% increase from last week. Beans blooming came in at 41%. It's a 17% increase from last week. And then wheat headed came in at 69%. That's versus 22% last week. What we went over just on these two was spring wheat. Winter wheat came in at 69% harvested. That's a 12% gain from last week. So moving forward, quick weather update. Weather outlook remains good. It's supported for crop development, below average to average temperatures, and then around average rainfall as well. So continuing to support it for crop development. We did get some bean sales announced this morning for 2014-2015 delivery to China. It was 120,000 metric tons. So lower prices continuing to spur some demand from China. Of course, China always pretty much has demand from the U.S. no matter what prices are, but still nice to see a little demand coming down the pipe there for next year. And then also today, as far as beans go, we'll get the NOPA crush estimate out at 11 a.m. Central. That's expected to come in between 122 to 124 million bushels. So that'll be out at 11. If you see the soybean market fluctuated all around then, it will likely be due to that report being released. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.